Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number B9969PA. 110,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Redline in color. Grand Caravan is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. It's Grand Caravan seat 7 with a cloth interior. Stone go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air controls. And DVD player with wireless headphones. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can of course fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And when they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, cruise control, large touchscreen 6.5-inch radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music. Rear DVD player controls and backup camera display. 3-zone temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside. Power liftgate and sliding door controls overhead. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.